Okay, so there it is. It looks like it's working now. So I went ahead and connected the GPS sensor here and well, right here, and it looks like it is picking up the signal. So I want to see if it's gonna go. It did find out where I was. Yeah, so that's kind of where my house is. It did find a place for me. Let's see if it's gonna give me some information about the location. Yep. So, yep, it's working. So the GPS sensor I got off of eBay. Um, I'm not even sure what I paid. I think it was like 25 bucks or something. It was pretty cheap, but it's working. And so if you were thinking about getting rid of your 4.3 and just upgrading to the 8.4, it's a clean swap. You just got to find somebody that's going to sell you one for a good price, and that's about it. Um, Other than that, that's the update on the radio part. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can install this Alpine amp behind the radio screen itself and put it back here, somewhere back here. Well, not there. So I'm assuming under here, back there, there is a slot where the Alpine amp probably could sit at back there, and it'll sit down in the little cubby hole so that the radio can go back in there. And I'm going to try that, see if I can amplify what are factory speakers for now. And I have some 6x9s I'm going to put in. I'm going to switch all my 6x9s out. I'm going to go ahead and switch my dash tweeters out, all to DS18s. DS18, I believe they're SQ 6x9 or something like that. I'll let you guys know, or I'll just leave a link in the description so you can take a look at them. But we'll take a listen to them here once I get everything hooked up.